late in the fourth quarter to tie games. So we have a new football game with 5:16 left. San Santee to kick off. This is a good one. Inside the 5. It's Malcolm Brown. Oh, great open field pass by Eric LeGrand, who is shaken up on the play.
You were waiting on the edge of the unknown.
It's a sick feeling in your stomach.
With the cataclysm raining down, inside's crying, save me now. You were there, possibly alone.
Injury suffered by Eric LeGrand.
Do you feel cold and lost in desperation? You build up hope, but failure's all you've known. Remember all the sadness and frustration, and let it go. The sky had blown the heavens into stars. We felt the gravity of tempered grace falling into empty space. No one there to catch you in their arms. Do you feel cold?
Fans and everybody in Gator Nation. I'm sorry. Extremely sorry. We were hoping for an undefeated season. That was my goal. 7-4 is never done here. But I promise you one thing. A lot of good will come out of this. You will never see any player in the entire country play as hard as I will play the rest of the season, and you never see someone push the rest of the team as hard as I will push everybody the rest of the season. You never see a team play harder than we will the rest of the season. God bless.